mash. They did the monster mash. Monster mash. Hello? Hello? Guys? What? Oh.
And then, Mitch made me bite his cucumber. Here's Mitchy! Happy Halloween! This is Smoke Hose, and today we're doing brisket. Daddy. Time to trim this bad boy. It puts the seasoning on the brisket, or it gets the sauce again.
Alright, so we got the Traeger set at 180 right now. We're gonna get this bad boy on there and set it fat side down. We're gonna smoke it until the internal temperature is about 185, and then we're gonna wrap it.
I thought we were like going to, who's that?
What's up?
Yeah, this is Cody.
Yeah, man. He hangs out at the Walmart sometimes.
All right. Where am I gonna sit?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorry, Mitch. This is a 3-man tent.
Yeah, of course. Always be prepared, right?
Down by the banks of the hanky-panky, where the bullfrogs jump.
So then I said to the guy, I don't even like fish. So I stabbed him.
Hey man, should I take these off?
No, we're gonna need you to wear those for the rest of the video.
Okay.
All right, so we pulled the brisket out. The internal temperature is between 180, 185. So what we're gonna do is we gotta wrap it, and we have this tallow right here. We render down some of that tallow. We're gonna put that on the brisket, add a little bit of flavor, add a little bit of moisture, wrap it up, get it to 200 internal, 205 internal, and then we're going to pull it out and give it time to rest.
A few moments later.
Now, brisket's at 200 degrees. We got it wrapped up. We're gonna put it in the Yeti for a couple hours just to let it, rest, let those juices kind of solidify in that meat. And we are in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Yeti. This is Mitch the cameraman's Yeti. Hunter and I don't have a Yeti, but we would like a Yeti. If there's any, Yetis that are out there just waiting for a nice home. Yeti, if you're Yeti.
Yeti.
All right, today I'm so happy we get to do something healthy. For once, roasted carrots with the brisket.
Whoa!
What?
Sorry, Mitch. We had a team meeting.
Team meeting?
Yeah, and Cody has a killer mac and cheese recipe, so we're gonna go ahead and do that.
Cody?
Sup?
Wait, you guys gave him a shirt? What the sh?
And now, it's time for sides with my side home list buddy.
All right, so what we'll do, we'll start out by making a roux with our cream and our butter and stuff. Then we'll throw in our cheeses. We've got smoked Gouda and smoked cheddar. We'll melt that down, and then we've already cooked the pasta up. It's sitting ready to go. We'll melt this down, throw it on top. We'll throw it in the oven for a little bit, and then we'll top it off by throwing it in the smoker for a little while. All right, so now that we've got it all made up, we just throw it in the oven under the broiler for about 10 minutes till the cheese melts, then you're good to go.
Oven? Hell no. We're smoking this bad boy.
Okay, you ready for a steamy reveal? Here we go. Like butter.
Oh, sweetheart.
Stop it.
I don't wanna stop it, but I know my mind ain't even close to where my heart is. I should let go, I should be open. My troubled water is deep.
Is that how it's supposed to look like? Is it supposed to do that? Oh yeah. And then hold on. Is it supposed to just pull like that? It's like we're professionals. We are professionals now. Oh my gosh. Do you see that smoke ring? Look how beautiful that is.
That is perfect. You did yourself this
And
time.
the moisture is just absolutely amazing.
Are you stealing their stuff?
No. Mitch.
Dude,
Mitch.
dude, he's stealing your stuff.
Dude, it's Cody, man.
Dude, leave him alone.
Yeah, man.
Hey! Caught you.
Hey, Mitch, what are you doing?
Dude, he's stealing your stuff.
No, he's probably just a little hungry. Just let him have a treat.
Brad, can I take these gloves off now?
At least the gloves on the hands.
All right.
Daddy.
That was really good. I think the cheese did a really good job with the mac and cheese, because it's a tame flavored cheese. It's very creamy, but it's not overpowering. And then you don't get so much saltiness in the mac and cheese, but the brisket comes in and adds that saltiness, and you can definitely taste the smoke from the meat church pellets that we decided to go with. It's phenomenal.
All right, another great review from our hungry hippo. That's Hunter, if you're confused. I can't contain myself. I just gotta keep going. So, you guys know the drill. We're on Instagram, we're on TikTok, we're on YouTube, we're on Facebook. Go subscribe, go like us, and give this a try. Tell us what you think. I'm gonna tell you right now, nobody's making a better brisket than us. You smoke, hoes.
Cody, I was wrong, man. I shouldn't have been accusing you. Thanks for coming. Appreciate it, man.
Wow, that's real mature of you, Mitch.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, man. It's been good.
Oh.
Dude, that's my wallet.
Oh.
I knew it!
I gotta think of
Get out of my head!